you can see that combined programs like ADC, UART, 4-bit LCD mode, and ADC, and it can start program header files and configuration bits, and input output hash define, then make a trace define, and frequency define, and void global function define declaration, prototyping, and global variables, delay functions, timer functions, make a pin input and output, and functions call in while loop, infinite loop. You can see LCD initialize, and LCD initializes functions, LCD instruct functions, and UART initialize function, TX mode, data mode, RX data mode, and UART send string functions, ADC initialization. Keypad is sending functions. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, friends.